Hello guys, let me introduce a mockup generation tool called Mockup King. It has some amazing features that will help you to build a 2D mockup. So you have to visit MockupKing.art website, and this is entirely free to use website, right? So then you have to click the let's create a mockup button. So it will be redirect you to this page, and it has first is this canvas, and you can choose the required dimension according to your need, and it will have some more dimension in future. So it has some collapse button, so you can collapse according to your need. So let me choose the 3:2 ratio. Then I am choosing a screen for my mockup. So let me choose this, and it will be uploaded within this screen. Then here is the background feature. So basically there are three background you can choose from. First is solid, then is gradient, and another is image. So if you need a solid color in the background, you can choose this from this color picker, and move the slider and choose a color from this color picker, right? Very easy. And if you have any specific color in mind, you can just add it here. Let me add red here. So ff0000, right? So it will be red in the background. If I want to choose a gradient in the background, so choose the gradient tab, and it has basically for by default it has two colors. You can add multiple colors by clicking in this line, so it will add colors for you. If you need only two colors, then click the dot and click the delete icon, and it color will be deleted. So let me choose three colors. So if you want to choose a color, then click on the dot and move the slider, and here choose from this color picker. Very easy to use. And let me skip this background. And if you want to choose the image, choose an image in the background, so choose the image tab and upload your background. So let me choose an image here, so it will be in the background. Okay, now next part is the frame color. So I am choosing a frame color according to my screen side and the background, and I'm keeping this light gray color here, or solid black color you can choose from. Next is the mobile dimension, size, and position. So there is landscape mode and portrait mode as well. So I'm choosing the portrait mode. Here you can position by clicking the arrow buttons, or you can just reset to keep it in the center. So I am making some space and choosing in the right side. So here is the size slider. You can slide this to make it bigger or smaller. Then I am making some position here to bring it down, or you can add some rotation here by clicking these two buttons. I am making keeping a rotation of almost 15 degree here, and almost right. Then here is the device shadow. So keep it some realistic by adding some shadow in the background. Okay, not very much like this, but a little shadow to make it more realistic. Then choose the notch between the among the three notches that I have given here. Choose according to your need, and after you have designed your mockup, you can download this mockup as an image, as a PNG image, that you can share to your social media accounts, and share your creation to people. So that's it in this introductory video. Please visit this website mockupking.art website and create your mockups for free, and it will be free forever. Share your sincere comments in the comment section to upgrade this tool and what you need extra features, so I will add them in the future updates. Thank you.